Hi, welcome to Blue's Garden Tips, watering and fertilizing the right way. I'm going to give you a few tips to have a really awesome fertile garden. If you subscribe now, I guarantee your garden will be nice and fertile. Watering your garden the right way. The best way to do it is to see how much water your garden really needs. I poke my finger in about an inch or two, actually about 2 inches, and see if the soil is dry. If it is, it needs water. If it's damp, it definitely does not need water. If it needs water, give it some water. Now, let's talk about fertilizer. I use an organic granular fertilizer, a couple of different kinds, and I mix it all into my plants. I use earthworm castings, bone meal, and Espoma organic tomato tone. Now, I also use a liquid fertilizer. The organic fertilizer, the granular organic, takes a while to break down, so bear that in mind. I mix about a half a handful of worm castings, about a third of a handful of bone meal, and about a half a handful of some Espoma organic tomato tone. Now remember what I said, each of those takes a while to break down. You mix it thoroughly into the soil, and it takes a couple of months for it to be available for your plants. So that's what the liquid fertilizer is for. A liquid fertilizer is immediately available for plants to take up. Mix it up as it says on the bottle. For mine, it's a bunch of pumps into a 1 gallon thing, and then I water my plants individually that way with the liquid fertilizer. And the fertilizer is now immediately available. And Fertilize, the liquid is available now, and the organic granular takes a couple months to break down and become available. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.